Hey guys, I am home and I look like crap. I'm tired because my office that I work at for my daytime job, there was no heat. So I was freezing all day. But I got a little unboxing. Got some goodies. I'm so excited to try. So this is one of their new lip stains that I just ordered. They were on Black Friday deals, but they finally were able to, or they got, is it Twist? Or it is Twist. Okay. Ooh, this is an interesting doe foot. Oh, that's pretty. No smell. These were on Black Friday deals. They took them down after Black Friday was finished because they were going to re-add them. So this shade is called Poetic. Really pretty. This one is called Confident. This is like a red shade. It looks really pretty. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Oh my gosh. My nose itches. This one is called Delighted. This is like a very light shade. Like a cool tone. Neutral shade. There were like 4 shades that came out. I hope they do add more shades. I really do enjoy like having like different varieties. I'm not keeping the packaging, so I'm just gonna rip them. I love different varieties. So this one is called Friendly. Oh, that's really pretty. These are really pretty. So I wonder how comfortable these are. So I will do like a wear test tomorrow and see how these are. Like, I'm really excited to give these ones a try. Whoops. I got a backup for my brow sculpt. I got the uplift oil. I'm so excited to give this a try. Some people have been actually using this uplift oil for like you put like a dot of your concealer and a little bit of this. I'm really excited to give this a try, so it's gonna be nice. And then of course some serum foundation. So I got the shade Organza because of course I have not been tanning as often as I would like, so I got some Organza serum foundation. So, and of course I'm gonna order some more foundation soon because, you know, I feel like I do go through it quite often. So this is my unboxing for Younique, and then go check my other video as soon as I get it posted and up and showing you what I got for my next unboxing, because the next unboxing is going to be good.